Work. See me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. See me have you work. See me do me dirt. See me have you work. You come on. You see me have you work. See me do.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking this old t-shirt and turning it into something new. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and find some inspiration for what you want to do to your shirt. You can find some cool pictures on Google or on Pinterest and then just work off of that. So what I decided to do to my shirt was cut out some strips from the bottom and to create a layer look. Once you've decided the placement for your strips, you're going to go ahead and start cutting out some random holes around the shirt just to give it a more of a distressed look. So right here, I just decided that I was going to replicate what I did from the right side to the left side, but this is completely optional, you guys. You can do whatever you want to your shirt because it's pretty much freestyle. Just do what you think is best. Now it's time for the fun part. All you're going to need for this next part, you guys, is some bleach in your shirt. So what you're going to do is go ahead and pour some of the bleach in the cap, and then you're just going to splatter it all over the shirt. It doesn't matter which way you do it, it doesn't matter how much you put in one area, but just go ahead and distribute it how you like it, and continue that for the front and the back. So to give the spots more of a faded look, I'm just taking the excess bleach that I have on my gloves and I'm just rubbing it on the spots and then dipping my finger back inside the cap a couple times. Now after you've let your shirt sit out and dry for a little bit, it should look a little bit like this. Then what you're going to do is take a bowl of cold water and dip the shirt in the bowl to slow down or stop the bleaching process. You don't want to keep letting it go on for too long, especially if you didn't dilute the bleach at first, because then it's just going to eat through the shirt. Once you've done that, this is what your shirt should look like. That's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.